My role is the production manager at Flexxaire. My responsibilities consist of making sure we have the right amount of people for the workload that we have. So I'm responsible for all the production staff, and we coordinate the workload so that we can meet the customer's needs with the highest quality product. I've been at Flexxaire for coming up on 4.5 years, and during those 4.5 years my role has evolved a few times. I was initially hired as a dealer accounts manager, so I was responsible for developing the sales in North America. From that it evolved into the sales manager for the Americas, so I was then responsible also for developing sales in South America. And within the last year I took on a role in operations as the production manager. I think that my experience in sales and manufacturing over my career is a very good thing for the company, but not just the company but the customer, because having experience in sales keeps me focused on what the customer's expectations are. So everything we do within our operations team then, in production more specifically, is very much customer focused. So having a background in sales and manufacturing helps blend both together so that we are able to meet our customers' needs and be as efficient as we can in our production. I got started in the industry through an acquaintance of mine. So one of the previous members at Flexxaire that was part of our leadership team, he had reached out to me in regards to some technical knowledge as well as speaking a second language, and Portuguese in that particular case. So he had reached out to see if maybe I was available to help with a particular project that they were working on, which I was, and thankful that I was, because it has turned out to be a good decision for me personally, I think for the company as well, because many years later here I am, and it all started with a phone call of somebody reaching out asking whether or not I had some time to be able to help them with the project.